Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, we're going to talk about how to add contacts on WhatsApp web. Now first thing is going to be my extensions. Click on this one. Before I get started, almost forgot, disclaimer, this works on Microsoft Edge and Chrome browser. Right now I'm using a Microsoft Edge, but the process is perfectly the same as the one on the Chrome browser. So if you click on that puzzle right there, the extension, go to manage or get extensions from your web store. Click on that one, and then once you're here, type in here in-app. Basically, should be that one right there. I think it's called InTouch app. Sorry about that. So that will be InTouch application. Should be looking like this one, the little red guy. So as you can see, I have already added it, installed it on my browser. So it says remove here. It should look like this one, and basically you'll be good to go after installing it. Go back and refresh your WhatsApp, and you're gonna see this little icon on the left side. Wait for it. Perfect. So, just simply click on that one. You can add your new contact, find and save numbers, manage, and even import contacts. Of course, you just need to log in the specific InTouch application. After logging in, you'll be good to go. Simply add a new contact. And basically, that's it. I'll catch you guys on the next one.